I call the eye the window into your overall health. Let me give you a story. I had a patient that came into my office. We took a photo of the back of her eye. We call those fundus photos retinal photos. When I was looking at it, I looked up at her and said, "Hey, how's your blood pressure been?" And she looked at me a little suspicious. She goes, "It's actually been running a little high lately. Why do you ask?" Well, I pulled up the photo and showed her the picture of the back of her eye. And I saw something called silver wiring. That's when the arteries get a little narrower, and this is a result of the blood vessel adjusting to high blood pressure. In addition, when the artery went over the vein, I saw some compression. Again, a side effect of high blood pressure. High blood pressure we generally don't feel, but we can see it in the back of the eye, and it's the one place in the body where I can see your blood vessels without being overly invasive. It's a photo. And I talked to her about the fact that if I'm starting to see these changes in her eye, they're probably happening all over the body, her heart, everywhere else, and that can affect her heart, her kidneys, her brain, that she's gonna need to follow up with her primary care doctor and look at it a little bit more closely. And one of the things that she spoke to me about was she didn't think it was that high, it's just that she had white coat hypertension, that whenever she went to the doctor, it was high. Well, what I was seeing based on her photo was, I don't think it's just in the office, it is most likely happening at other times throughout the day. So if you suffer from white coat hypertension or it's always high in the office, that's when you can get a cuff at home and you can monitor it. Believe it or not, blood pressure will fluctuate throughout the day, but you wanna know what it is more often than, you wanna know what it is the majority of the time. If you only check your blood pressure once a year, that's like looking at one glass of water in the entire ocean. There's a lot more to look at and you'll find a lot more things. So make sure you're checking your blood pressure consistently. Talk to your eye doctor, have them look at the back of your eye, and they can see signs of not only high blood pressure, we can also see things like high cholesterol and diabetes. But without getting the eye exam, she wouldn't have known, and this is something that will help her overall health. So like and subscribe for more tips.